First thing first, I am using the tinted lip oil from Yves Saint Laurent to moisturize my lips. And here I'm using the Radiant Primer from NARS, and now I'm just dabbing them on my face and blend it out. For foundation, I'm using the Coverage Foundation from The Ordinary Colors. I just pumped powder on this flat foundation brush and dab it on my face and blend it out. Moving on to concealer, I am using the Radiant Cream Concealer from NARS in the shade Ginger and Vanilla. I normally put Ginger first, which is a medium yellow tone shade to cover up the redness on my face. After that, I put Vanilla, which is a lighter shade to cover up those areas that I've just touched up. I also put some powder under my eyes and some on my nose bridge to highlight those areas. Now I'm using the Miracle Complexion Makeup Sponge from Real Techniques to blend it out and get the perfect flawless face that you have always dreamed of. And the base is done. Now it's time to get some cheekbones into my face. I am using the Filmstar Bounce and Glow Contour Palette from Charlotte Tilbury and chiseling and defining the hollows of my cheeks. Since we're here, why don't we do some contour on my nose as well? Here, I am grabbing some powder from the same palette and putting on my eyelid first. You might be curious about why do you do your eyelid first? I thought you said nose. And the way I do it is because I think it helps my eyes get a deeper finish or looking before putting on any eye makeup. And we can just gently slide down to the nose. And this is me doing another side. And it's time for highlighter. Get the same palette again and get highlighter side, and that's it on my nose and cheeks. Ooh, did you see the glow? I like it. Moving on to the brows, I normally brush through my brows really quickly. It makes me easier to see the shape and where do I need to touch up. Getting my brows done by using this tinted brow pomade from NYX and fill in the gaps. We haven't finished yet because I want to make my brow tail look more longer by using this Sweet Peach palette from Too Faced, and the shade I am using is Charmed, I'm Sure. I usually just follow the shape of my brows and make it look longer. So basically just go with the flow. And it's time to curl my eyelashes because your girl has completely straight eyelashes. And by the way, I got this little guy from Muji. Now moving on to eye makeup. I'm using Colourpop eyeshadow in Lala, which is a brown rose gold shade, and I'm grabbing the powder by using my finger and apply it on my eyelid as I think it gives me a better color payoff. Grabbing the triple eyeshadow from 3CE and using the middle color, which is an orangey pumpkin kind of shade, in order to give my outer corner some pumpkin sensation. And it is time to blend. So grab my favorite palette again and get the shade Charmed, I'm Sure, to blend out any harsh edges on my eyes. Let us part, let us pretend that we just need each other. What a waste to... So here I'm grabbing Colourpop shadow in Lala again and put on some extra glitter on my eyelid. Let us sway so I forget. For eyeliner, I am using the waterproof eyeliner from Kiss Me to draw a cat eye shape. It is my all-time favorite eyeliner go for shape, and I feel like it makes me feel more energetic and also happier. It is time for mascara. I am using the Long Anchor mascara from Kiss Me and apply it on my eyelashes. As I want to give this look a bit more glittery finish, I'm putting on this glitter liner from Tanya Burr Cosmetics on the entire lower line. So this is California from Benefit, my all-time favorite blush. I'm using a brush and dabbing in on my cheeks. And here we are, a healthy looking face. To finish off the look, here I have two matte lipstick from Frizzy, and now I'm using the lighter orangey color shade number 114. So now gently tapping in number 909, which is a darker red wine kind of shade to get the pumpkin spice sensation. Ta-da! We're now good to go. There you go, this is the pumpkin spice makeup, and I got inspired by the Starbucks drink, Pumpkin Spice Latte, because I sometimes do like get one when I go to uni or go to work. I had so much fun for making this video, and I do hope you guys enjoy watching this video as well. Yeah, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like styling video, just let me know in the comment box below. Oh, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.